Hi, very good morning, everybody. See, in this specific video, we will discuss about what is the main purpose of doing research. What is the main purpose of doing specific to management research? Management research. See, for example, you want to do management research, right? But you should have what is my main purpose of doing management research? Based on that, your objective purpose only, you will be the outcome will come, right? So let us see what is the main purpose of management research. Purpose of management research. What is the main purpose? Huh? For example, see, you want to do PhD in business management or management. That could be one main purpose. You know, across the world, people do PhD in business management areas, right? See, that is one purpose. Next one is what you want to write a paper, a research paper. You want to write a research paper. This could be your objective, right? That is your purpose. For example, some of the professors across the world, for their career progression or own personal interest or for the namesake, they write the papers, right? So different objective they will have, and their main objective is to publish a paper, write a paper. For that, they do the management research, right? Next one is what market survey. Third purpose. Third purpose is market survey. Third purpose is market survey. I will explain you each one of them in detail. Okay, don't worry. I will explain you each one of them in detail. Market survey. So what is the fourth purpose is what? Fourth purpose is organization specific. Fourth purpose is organization specific. Organization specific management research, right? Organization specific management research. So next, fifth purpose is industry specific purpose. Industry specific purpose. Industry specific purpose. So like this, we can categorize what is the main purpose of our doing research into 5 different categories. Right. Based on that, your the way you proceed further, the duration of the research, what you carry out, huh? The outcome of the research will depend on these aspects. Right. For example, you want to do research, PhD. It will take 3 to 4 years. 3 to 4 years across the world. Sometimes 5 years also it takes. Right. So just say that 3 to 4 years. Right. So and also, what is the outcome of this PhD? That is thesis. Thesis is the outcome of PhD. Its scope is large scope. Scope would be larger to compare with research paper. Scope is large scope to compare with research paper. Scope is large scope to compare with research paper. And what is the outcome? You will be making recommendations to industry. You will be making recommendations to industry. That is the outcome. If you want to make a recommendation to industry, huh? Right. Some implications will be there for researchers also. Implications for research community. Implications for research community. Right. So this is about if your purpose is to do PhD, this much time it takes 3 to 4 years, and thesis is the outcome. Right. Next, for example, your purpose is to develop a paper, write a paper, research paper. So this has got it will take how much? 6 months to 1 year. 6 months to 1 year. Assume that sometimes there will be longitudinal studies as well. But just in a generic case, I am talking about a simple one, right? 6 months to 1 year, right? So next, its scope is a bit limited scope. Limited scope. You don't take a very huge topic, right? You don't take huge topic for research paper. You don't take huge topic. For example, factors impacting operational performance. Operational performance can be one research paper. Factors impacting operational performance, right? Or employee attitude and employee job satisfaction. A study on employee attitude and employee job satisfaction. It could be one topic related to HRM. A paper, you can write a paper. Right? Collect data on employee attitude and then performance level or job satisfaction level. Like that, one research paper. Right. Next comes market survey. See, the purpose of research is market survey. See, there are certain organizations. See, for example, top 100 companies to work for. Top 100 companies to work for. Some of the organizations, I will tell you those organizations. Example, Nielsen Consulting, IDC, one of the market research firms. They do research across industries. IDC. Next, global data. Similarly, PwC. Next, KPMG, Accenture. Like these kind of organizations do the market survey. For example, PMI. That could be industries PMI. Across industries, PMI salary survey. This could be one survey, right? What they do. PMI salary survey. One PMI, Project Management Institute based in Pennsylvania, US. They conduct annually PMI salary survey. Top technology trends. Top tech trends for 2021. Top technology trends for 2021. It could be market survey. Some of the organizations, they take up these kind of surveys. Right. So this is across industries also they do generic industry surveys also they conduct. Right. So next comes organization specific. Organization specific means what? These kind of management problems, management research is done to solve organization specific problems. To solve organization specific problem. Organization specific issue. Right. To solve it, this research is done. For example, what factors are impacting less market share in some part or region of a country for a specific product? You want to do research. There could be organization specific or decision making purpose. Decision making. Main could be this, you are doing research for a decision making purpose. CEO decision making purpose. Sometimes organization specific employee surveys they conduct, right? Employee job satisfaction surveys they conduct. Employee training needs surveys they conduct. Employee training needs surveys. Employee job satisfaction surveys. Organization specific. That is specific to that specific organization. It can be automobile company or it can be IT industry, IT company, like that, right? Or innovation. The purpose is innovation. Innovation means what? That organization wants to develop a new product or service. They want to develop a new product or new service they want to develop. That is the reason they are doing the research. Innovation. That is the reason they are doing research. For example, automobile manufacturing company, take Toyota, Honda, they have R&D divisions, right? They have R&D divisions, research divisions. What do? They do the research and give it to the product development, engineering and product development. right? So that research is their main objective is what? To make innovation, to develop new product, to develop new product. So that is their purpose. That is the organization specific purpose, right? So they will have some separate department, and like even not only automobile companies like FMCG companies like Procter and Gamble, Colgate, Palmolive, you know, Procter and Gamble, these so many companies, Johnson and Johnson, they do research. They have research wings, right? So this comes under organization specific research, right? So what is the another purpose is industry specific research. Another purpose is industry specific research. So this research can be specific to IT industry, IT industry specific, or infrastructure industry specific, infrastructure industry specific, or retail construction industry specific, construction industry specific research, you know, or steel industry. It can be one industry, right? It can be one industry. Huh? This kind of e-commerce industry. Let us say e-commerce. E-commerce is also considered a separate industry, right? E-commerce industry specific research. These kind of research, if you want to, there are specific organizations and industry bodies, associations across the world. They do industry specific research. For example, take example what? Example, NASCAM. Example, NASCAM in India. They do specific research specific to IT industry. IT industry. Next comes CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. They do research specific to industries. Confederation of Indian Industry. Similarly, FICCI, Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industries. They do research. ASSOCHAM, you know, ASSOCHAM, Association of Construction and Materials. No, I have to recall that association. Okay, ASSOCHAM. ASSOCHAM is one association, right? So like this, so many bodies. AIMA, Holiday Management Association, they do conduct surveys, right? So these kind of organizations, the professional bodies across the world, they conduct research. They conduct research specific to that vertical, specific to that industry. Take Standish Group. Standish Group in US. Standish Group. Standish Group. You know, they conduct research specific to IT projects. IT projects. What is their success rate, failure rate? Every year, annually, they conduct research. Standish Group Chavos report. That's called industry specific software projects. They conduct. Standish Group. So like this, so this can be organization specific example. This can be organization specific. Toyota or examples. Honda, Johnson and Johnson. Organization, pharmaceuticals also will have their organization specific research. Like this. This is research paper. Somebody wants to get into this paper, so like this. So we can categorize the purpose. So based on our purpose, we have to keep our purpose in mind and carry out the research. But we should see what is the purpose of it. I want to write a research paper, or I want to do PhD, or I want to, as a market research firm, are we conducting market research, market survey, or is it specific to my organization? No, marketing problems will be there, finance related problems, HR related problems specific to that organization. Is it organization specific issue? No, for organization management decision making purpose, am I solving a research problem? Next, industry specific. I want to contribute to the industry, as a professional body. As a professional body in the world, we will contribute to the specific industry so that they can plan their human resources planning can be done. They can plan their organizational strategies based on the input, whatever my research report is giving. Right. So based on these factors, we should decide, we should have in mind, this is the purpose of management research I am doing. This is the purpose of management research I am doing. Okay, so thank you everybody. Just a couple of minutes you focus and go through this board, whether you will be able to see couple of minutes you spend, and okay, we'll move on. Okay, thank you.